goodness, thank you.
Find another one.
Where's some more?
Oh, she really does need a basket. Find another one. All right, take those. Okay, we'll put those
Put them
down.
there. Okay, go find some more. Where's some more at? Oh, there's one.
Yay!
Good job. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that's purple, huh? Are there any more? Look, there's some more somewhere. Do you see any more? Okay. Okay. Oh, yay! You found another one. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Look at all those eggs. Isn't that wonderful? All the good stuff inside, too, huh? Yeah.
Open.
Look what the Easter Bunny left you. Look at this. This is so cute. With her name on it. Look at the Easter Bunny.
Give the bunny a hug.
Give
Big
him
hugs for the
hugs.
bunny.
Big bunny hugs.
Okay, we'll open them, but give the bunny a big hug. Big hugs.
Get a bunny.
Feel them.
Please.
Oh, he will. She will. She will.
Yeah, she will. Okay. What's all these good things here? Huh?
Looky
What's all
here.
the good things here?
Looky here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
I have a feeling my child will be just kind of sugared up today.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Look at those. We'll sit them right there,
They love
okay?
this stuff.
Mom.
Oh, thank you, babe. Thank you.
Open.
Oh, I'll have Auntie open, okay?
Here. Ready? Whoa.
Your favorite, huh?
Wow.
Good, huh?
Those are your and your daddy's favorites.
Good. Oh, yeah, you put that right back in there. Yeah.
Here.
Okay, good deal. All right. What about look at your Easter basket. Look at this. She likes the eggs.
Oh, it's because there's candy in them.
Hi, happy Easter.
Hi, Lori.
Lana, do you want more milk in this?
Let me look at
Because
it.
it's really getting thick.
Okay. Let me see.
You say Happy Easter, everybody? We were practicing that downstairs.
Okay?
I think,